Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. Four Stars Sudoku. And news of today. Well, Spain has won the match against France, the semi-final of the European Championship soccer. And that's the news of today. And in this newspaper of Tuesday, July the 9th, 2024. Tomorrow on Wednesday, the Netherlands will play against England. Yes. I've already solved one regular puzzle, so two puzzles are left: the JigSaw Sudoku and the Sudoku with 4 stars. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, four extra puzzles. Four of them I will solve later on. But first, this Sudoku with 4 stars. This will be number 8869. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, 26 printed digits. Should be at 2 stars. Yeah, a 2 stars puzzle. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Alright. Question is this of 4 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. We have a 9 in this column. 9 in that column. So the column between. The middle column. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Then let me see. 2, 1. 4 missing numbers now in the middle column. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in the middle column should be there. So what are these 3 missing numbers in the middle column for the numbers? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 5, 6, 8. 5, 6, 8. Alright, we have 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above, so in that row. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 5, 6, 8. That means the other 2 missing numbers in this big square. Other numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 4 in this row. 4 in the row below. So last row. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column, so the first column. Only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4. It should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row, so the first row. The only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 in the column next, no 4 there. Only place left for the 4, it should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 4. Okay. Then let me see. 3, 3, 3. Okay. How about 4 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for 3 should be there. 2 numbers left. Now in this big square, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. So what are these 2 missing numbers in this column? 4 numbers, 1 is missing, 2 is missing, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1 and 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, the 6 goes there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row, so the first row. The only 2 places left for 5 should be here or there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so the first row. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. Well, okay, let me continue. Need a 5 here. Need an 8 there. How about there? Four missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 9. We have a 1 and a 9 in this last row, so no 1 and 9 in these two boxes. 1 and 9 goes in those two boxes. It's a pair. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 9 goes there. So two numbers left in this big square. Four numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Okay. So two numbers left in the last row. Four numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Well. So we need an 8 there. Well. Okay. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Need a 9 here. Four missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 and a 3 in the second column, so no 1 and 3 in these two boxes. 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So we have a 1 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. So two numbers left. In this big square, for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be in, 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in the first row for number 1. 1, okay. How about these 3 missing numbers in the third row for numbers 1? 2 is missing, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8. 2, 3, 8. Okay. About these 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 1, the 2, and the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, the 8, 9 is missing, 6, 7, 9. 6, 7, 9. Okay. I can not do anything with these numbers. How about? Need an 8 there. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this one. No 1 in these two boxes. Here, 1 in the second column. No 1 in those two boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in this row. 1 in one of those two boxes in the second row. Middle row. So in the row below, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 in the last column. No 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8. No. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column, so the column between. Second column, the only 2 places left 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Need a 7 there. 5, 6, and 9. Need a 9 here. In this row, we need a 9. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in the last column. No 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 in this row should be there. Okay, so 2 numbers left. The 5 and the 6. Okay, cannot fill this yet. We need a 9 there. Alright, come on. 6, 5, and need a 9 here. Could be here. Could be there. Need a 7 there. How about the 5? Well. 2. 1, 2, 3 is missing 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 7, and 8. 3, 7, 8. 3, 7, 3. Yeah. In this column, one of the missing number is a 3. Well, it's a 3. Well, here can be 3. We have a 3 in one of those two boxes in this row. So no 3 there. Here can be 3. We have a 3 in this row. So no 3 there. So the only place level 3 in this column should be there. So the 2 and 8 are left. The 2 and 8. Okay. Here, 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 8. I'm missing 7 and 8. Well, I cannot place the 8 there because we have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left here. So the 6 and the 9, 6 and 9. Oh, we have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 6 goes there. 2 and 8, okay. Need a 6 here. Well. Okay. All right. Let me think. 1, 7. 7 in this row, 7 in middle row. So the row above the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 is 7 should be there. Then I need a 3 here. 3. I need a 5 here. 5. Means the 5 should be there. In this row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this row is number 5. We have a 5 here. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there in this row. Here or there, we see another 5 in the first column. No 5 there. The only place left with 5 should be there. And now, 2 numbers left. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and 6. 2 and 6, we have a 2 in the first column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, 6 goes there. 2 and 8, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 8 goes there. 8 and 3, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Here, another 5 in the 6. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. Alright, and now 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so the third column. The only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place left, the 6 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column, so the third column. The only place left, the 5 should be here. Oh! We already have a 5 here. Not good. So it's not the 5. Here. Okay. Almost made a mistake. Okay. So here 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 8. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing here. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. This should be the 1. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 2 and 9, 2 and 9, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 9 goes there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so the third column. The only place left of the 2 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. 1 star? No. Let me give this a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle. The JigSaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.